This is remote RGB function. Set receivers as RGB type by dip switch. Off. On. Long press, meantime rotating to change colors. Anti-clockwise rotating to gradually dim down brightness. Clockwise rotating to dim up brightness. Double short click to change dynamic modes. There are total 8 type dynamic modes. Anti-clockwise to speed down the dynamic changing speed. Clockwise rotating to speed up the changing. With excellent wireless sync control function, multi-pieces receivers could be controlled at the same time.